as I got older, like from 16, I say that 16 to 18, ran away from home. I mean, and which led me into like a foster home type place and a shelter too. So at that time, I felt like my life was not viable. My life was not important like everybody else's. Like all my other friends that was with their parents, they didn't want for nothing, or they didn't have to worry about the stuff that I was worried about. And it's so crazy that I would have gave up. As far as checking out of life or whatever.
I was going to Dunbar down north. Then I was going to a school called Umland. Then I went to another school called Lindenbach. I used to fight a lot, so I got kicked out because they would put me in Camelot. But my mom wasn't having it, so the homeschool wasn't for me. So I started getting around the way a little bit more. You feel me? So then I go to youth build. I want to change my life. I want to start my own business. I'm thinking about doing real estate. I got a couple other things I got planned too. I'm thinking about doing my own clothing brand. Doing film production too as well. So there's a couple other things I'm thinking about doing. And man, I have a lot of examples in my life. I had the best of both worlds, you could say. And I had good people and bad people. You mean, but the bad outweighs the good in a way because there's an example that I didn't want to be like that. Man, I want better for myself. I want to be a king. Man, I want to be royal. Man, I want to be a good example for the youngest that's coming up.